Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting destination to share with you. If you're a nature lover and an adventure seeker, Norway should definitely be on your travel bucket list. In this video, we'll be exploring the top tourist attractions in Norway. So, let's get started. Norway is a country that boasts breathtaking landscapes, from towering mountains to stunning fjords. Our first stop is the famous Geiranger fjord, located in the western part of the country. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers awe-inspiring views of cascading waterfalls, lush green valleys, and crystal-clear blue waters. You can take a cruise along the fjord or hike up to one of the viewpoints for an unforgettable experience. Next up, we have the charming city of Bergen, known as the gateway to the fjords. Take a stroll along the colorful wooden buildings of Bergen Wharf, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the narrow streets of the old town and visit the famous fish market, where you can sample fresh seafood. For panoramic views of the city and surrounding mountains, ride the Flyvenden funicular to the top of Mount Fløyen. Moving on to northern Norway, we have the captivating city of Tromsø. This vibrant city is known as the gateway to the Arctic and is a prime location for witnessing the magical northern lights. Hop on a dog-sledding adventure or take a cable car up to Mount Storsteinen for breathtaking views of the city and the Arctic landscape. Now, let's venture to the Lofoten Islands, a picturesque archipelago renowned for its rugged mountains, pristine beaches, and traditional fishing villages. The iconic red and yellow fishing huts, known as rowboat, provide a unique accommodation option. Explore the islands by hiking, kayaking, or simply enjoying the tranquility of the surroundings. No visit to Norway is complete without experiencing the iconic Norwegian fjords. One of the most accessible and popular fjords is the Sandfjord, the longest and deepest fjord in Norway. Sail through its serene waters and be mesmerized by the steep cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and picturesque villages along the way. Last but not least, we have the vibrant capital city, Oslo. Immerse yourself in Norwegian culture by visiting the world-famous Viking Ship Museum and the open-air Norwegian Folk Museum. Take a stroll along the beautiful waterfront promenade at Aker Brygge and visit the iconic Opera House for its breathtaking architecture and stunning views of the city. That concludes our whirlwind tour of the top tourist attractions in Norway. From the majestic fjords to the charming cities, Norway offers an abundance of natural beauty and cultural experiences. So, pack your bags and get ready for an adventure you'll never forget. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. See you in our next adventure.